Hello everyone, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a blessed day on today. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. To show y'all my Valentine's Day dinner. Okay, as y'all can see in this bag, I have like a gallon size bag, and I have 2 T-bone steaks in here that I have marinated. Y'all can see in there. See the marinade inside there. Okay, this is the marinade that I'm using. This is a hickory smoked marinade. Okay, and I have some onions, and see, I'm gonna make some fried potatoes. Yes, I'm gonna make some fried potatoes, and I also have some shrimp that I'm gonna cook also. And I decided I was gonna share this with you all. We're gonna first start off with our potatoes because we want them ready before we even get started with our steak. And so here's my butter. I have some butter, I have some onions. Let's get to making our Valentine's Day dinner. Okay, in this skillet, I have used like a quarter of a stick of butter. This is the unsalted butter. I'm letting that melt a little bit. We're gonna let that melt a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes. These are red potatoes. And here, red potatoes. I'm going to turn this heat up. Y'all had turn it down. I'm going to turn it up some. And let this go ahead and start heating up real good. I'm gonna go ahead and add my onion that I have ringed. You can chop these small if you want. You can chop them any way you decide to chop them, okay? Okay, now I'm going to add a little salt. Add a little salt to this. And you salt this the way you want to salt it. Okay, I'm going to add a little black pepper. And a little onion powder. And if you want to use seasoned salt, you can. But I don't use it in mine. I don't remember my mother using seasoning salt in hers. She just used these simple seasonings. Okay, we're going to stir this up. We're going to let this, y'all, like steam like. I got this on pretty well high heat for right now. But right now I got it on a pretty high heat, because what I want these potatoes to do is brown. Okay. Now I'm going to cover these, and we're going to let these catch up. These going to start browning, and once they start browning, I'm going to turn the heat down some, not all the way, but I'm going to let them brown some. Okay, as y'all can see, these are beginning to fry. And so I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit, maybe on 6. And then you can start, look how they're doing. See them browning? Do not add water to your potatoes. I never remember my mother adding any water. Sometimes I'm tempted to add the water, but no. I never saw her add water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let these continue to steam fry. Now let's get started on our steak. Now I'm getting ready to get my steak on the grill. In my grill, here. Okay, now I'm going to add my steaks to the grill. I let these marinate, y'all, for like a couple of hours. No, it's been 3 hours to be exact. 3 hours. And I'm going to let these brown and sear for maybe 8 minutes. And then I'm going to turn it over on the other side. Okay? Let's keep an eye on our potatoes. You just keep a check on the potatoes. Make sure they don't burn, but they're still steaming and cooking. Okay? My steak is still cooking, and I'm going to let these cook like 8 minutes, and I'm going to be back. Y'all, here's my steak. It's only been on here maybe like 3 minutes now. I'm just showing you. You always keep a check on your heat, even if it's on the stove. I'm using this grill, but and I'll also tell y'all, if you want to, this has a lid to it. If yours have a lid to it, just put you a lid on there. You don't have to. You don't have to put a lid on there, but I'm not. But you can, if you like your well done, y'all. I like mine well done. And so, but I'm not going to put my lid on it, but you can put a lid on it, okay? Y'all, my potatoes is over there cooking away. So they should be ready about time these steaks get ready. Okay, my steak and shrimp, okay? Okay, my steaks have been cooking for like 7 minutes. And I'm going to turn them over. I'm going to turn these over. Okay. This is how they're looking. I'm going to let these cook another 7 to 8 minutes because I'm going to do right there. Okay, now we're going to check on our potatoes. Let me see the texture on these. See the texture. Y'all, these are ready. As y'all can see, these are ready. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn these over. And then I'm going to turn them off. Y'all, I'm going to turn them over and then I'm going to turn them off. I'm going to turn this heat off. They're ready. I'm going to put my lid back on there. And we're going to wait for our steaks to get ready. And then we're going to work on our shrimp. Okay, my steaks have been on here grilling for 7 minutes on the other side. What I'm going to do, okay, I have my plate here. This is what I'm going to do. I'm making sure these steaks are done. Y'all, I like mine well done. And so I'm going to put these steaks on this foil. And I'm going to let these rest. I'm going to let them rest here. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure, let me move this out of the way. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure these are well done around the bone. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap these in foil and let these rest. Okay? What you do, just let them rest. Okay? Just let them rest, okay? I'm going to set this to the side and then I'm going to get ready to cook my shrimp. Okay, while I'm waiting on my butter to melt, I'm getting ready to season my shrimp. I have some Old Bay seasoning. Put a little bit, not a whole lot. Just a little seasoning on it. Just a little bit of seasoning, okay? Y'all, I'm doing this with one hand. So, make sure these are well coated with the Old Bay seasoning. Make sure these are well seasoned. If you want black pepper on there, you can. Okay, I'm going to put a little garlic powder on this. Just a little garlic powder. Or you can use the fresh garlic. It's up to you. It's up to you. And now we're getting ready. Okay, I'm back. And y'all see how these are looking? These are done. They've been cooking for maybe about 5 minutes. I have to make sure they're no longer raw. Make sure they are pink and not gray like they were, okay? Okay, y'all, these are ready. I'm going to let these sit, and I'm getting ready to plate up my food, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back. I'm getting ready to plate up our dinner. Okay, I'm going to add a few of these shrimp on there. Can y'all see? Okay. Add a few potatoes. A few of these potatoes on here. Okay. This doesn't even have to be for Valentine's Day. You can cook these fried potatoes up anytime. Okay. Put my T-bone steak on here. Okay. Let me move my potatoes over a little bit. Okay. So here it is, y'all. Okay. Y'all, here it is. This is our Valentine's Day dinner. Okay, about to wipe up my plate, and I'm going to come back and show y'all the final result. Okay, I'm coming back, and I want to show y'all how my steak turned out. See, trying to focus a little bit for you. Okay, I just want to show y'all how it looked and how the potatoes turned out. Okay. Oh, y'all, these are good. Now my shrimp. Y'all cook these, like I said, cook these shrimp until they're pink. Do not overcook them. It don't take maybe 2 to 3 minutes for them to get done. When they turn pink, they're ready. Okay. I can taste that buttery garlic taste to them. But they are very good. Okay, y'all, I'm going to go and sit down so I can eat some more of my food. And I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now.